Click on the link below to get price. The Bernette B79 sewing and embroidery machine is an exceptional device that seamlessly combines advanced technology with user-friendly features, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced sewists. Upon unboxing, the first thing that strikes you is its robust build quality and sleek design. The machine's interface is intuitive, featuring a large colored touchscreen that simplifies navigation through various functions and settings. One standout feature of the B79 is its extensive embroidery capabilities. With 208 built-in embroidery designs and 7 embroidery fonts, users have a plethora of creative options at their fingertips. The machine supports USB connectivity, allowing for easy import of additional designs, which is a fantastic feature for those who want to personalize their projects. The Deluxe Embroidery Design Tools bundle that accompanies the B79 enhances the experience even further, providing valuable tools that facilitate intricate embroidery tasks. Sewing with the B79 is a dream. It offers an impressive range of stitch options, including over 200 built-in stitches. The speed control and automated tension adjustments ensure that you achieve professional quality results with minimal effort. Additionally, the needle threader and automatic cutter are time-saving features that will be appreciated during lengthy projects. The machine operates smoothly and quietly, allowing for a pleasant sewing experience. It also has a generous workspace, which is ideal for larger projects. The adjustable presser foot pressure and free arm capability add to its versatility, making it suitable for various fabrics and techniques. In terms of maintenance, the B79 is straightforward to clean and service, ensuring its longevity. The included instructional manual is comprehensive, making it easy for users to familiarize themselves with the machine's features and capabilities quickly. Overall, the Bernette B79 sewing and embroidery machine is a powerhouse that elevates sewing and embroidery to new heights. Its blend of functionality, innovation, and ease of use makes it a worthy investment for anyone passionate about textile arts.